Justice, another important concept on which Ghazali laid a lot of emphasis. And he considered that justice is to be provided by the state, and the state is the upholder of the provision of this system of justice to the people. So Ghazali was looking for, let's say, stability in the society, or good government can bring this stability. Now, the stability has to be based on reform from within and equity. अब ये जो है stability in the society है, इसकी जिम्मेदार state है, और ये with the change in the, let's say, thinking of the people within the system, और ये stability जब ही आ सकती है जब मुल्क में अदल व इंसाफ का system राइज हो. Otherwise, people might be violating the laws, rights of others, and when they violate the rights of others, it creates turmoil, it can lead to instability. So, ideal state is a system of social justice. ये उसकी थी let's say मशवरा जो के kings को दिया, और later on we'll see that he has given about 10 let's say advice to the kings in his council for kings. So king's heart should be a board of justice. उसके जो अपना justice है जिसको अदल कहते हैं, ये उसके दिल में होना चाहिए, और फिर ही उसकी जो लेट्स से मुल्क है उसमें स्टेबिलिटी आ सकती है. और अगर बादशाह ने खरज और जस्टिस के दरमियान चूज करना हो तो द किंग शुड पोजेस जस्टिस, और इस जस्टिस के साथ बाकी चीजें ऑटोमेटिकली आएंगी. So justice itself requires a careful and constant balancing of qualities. अब ये qualities जो हैं उसने बात की है intelligence with knowledge, wealth with gratitude, charity with kindness, effort with दौलत. अब इन सारी चीज़ों को देखें तो वो कर रहा है दौलत means good government. So when दौलत comes, all the qualities must go with it. उसके साथ इंटेलिजेंस और नॉलेज भी आएगा, वेल्थ और ग्रेटिट्यूड भी आएगा, चैरिटी और काइंडनेस, ये सारी चीज़ें आएंगी व्हेन वी सी जस्टिस इन द स्टेट. सो द फोकस ऑफ द गवर्नेंस शुड बी ऑन द प्रमोशन ऑफ justice or adl in the society. So that is on top of the hukumat कह लें या दौलत कह लें, और this is necessary or prerequisite for the, let's say, stability in the society, for the prosperity of the people. So bring development and prosperity to the world through justice and equitable rule. So उसने इस किस्म की बात की है कि there is a high correlation between prosperity, rule and the number of subjects. So he said, the greater the prosperity, the longer the rule and more numerous the subjects. So he is talking about let's say positive relationship between these qualities. So अगर justice होगा तो prosperity आएगी, अगर injustice होगा तो फिर under development की बात करता है. So when he talks about the rulers, he is talking about let's say monarchy. The Ghazali's state is non-democratic kind of state. It is feudal and like kingship. So regime stability is sacred because instability leads to chaos and anarchy. So political change must come from within, and this should come through reforms, and these reforms are to be, let's say, guided by knowledge, wisdom and justice. और ये सारी चीज़ें अगर आती हैं, so then he thinks that there will be stability in the society, there will be, let's say, development in the society, prosperity in the society, and people will be happy. That might be considered as an ideal state.